In a landmark tax reform, the group of 7 advanced economies have endorsed a minimum global corporate tax of at least 15%. The decision to tax the multinationals will help raise billions of dollars to fend for the pandemic aftermath. It will also stabilize tax systems as countries will be disabled from attracting corporate giants with ultra-low tax rates and exemptions. The reform will predominantly impact tech giants like Google, Amazon, Apple and Facebook, companies with multiple offices across the world, will be compelled to pay taxes in the countries where their businesses operate. At the moment, companies can set up local branches in countries that have relatively low or no tax rates. This means that they only pay the local rate of the tax, even if the profits come from sales made elsewhere. Now, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has hailed the unprecedented commitment, saying that a global minimum tax would end the race to the bottom of the corporate taxation.
So we're looking for endorsement of an agreement at the G20, which represents a very large share of GDP. And there are yet larger number of countries that are participating in the underlying OECD process that we expect, if we're successful at the G20, to agree.
The accord could form the basis of a global pact next month at the G20 summit to be held in Venice. The Global 20 includes a number of emerging economies as well. The G7, comprising United States, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy and Japan, will collectively put pressure on other countries to follow the new agreement. British Finance Minister has called the accord fit for the global digital age. He also said that the decision will ensure fairness as all companies will be operating on the same level.
Well, I'm delighted to announce that today, after years of discussion, G7 finance ministers have reached a historic agreement to reform the global tax system, to make it fit for the global digital age, but crucially to make sure that it's fair.
Ireland's finance minister also hailed the decision and said that it is in everyone's interest. Meanwhile, Facebook has welcomed the decision as well. The social media giant's global affairs head said in a statement, in a tweet in fact said, the agreement is the first step towards strengthening public confidence in the global tax system. He also said Facebook wants the reform to succeed, even though it means paying more tax. In the latest agreement, companies will also have to declare their environmental impact so that investors can decide whether to fund them or not. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.